Hello friends, do you know now AI can generate the entire song for you? Like it can generate the lyrics as per your choice, it can generate the background music, and it also sing for you and give you the entire MP4 file that you can upload to anywhere without worrying about the copyright strike. So today's video, let's see how to do it. So first of all, you have to come to the Singify tools website. The tool link you can find in the description. So you can go there, click on it and sign up with your Google account. Before that, you can see this tool provides Fine Voice tool, Singify tool and Fine Cut. You can use any of them. Today we'll click on Singify. You will find 5 features on the left side. AI song generator, AI cover generator, AI stamp splitter, AI voice cloning and more AI tools. In today's tutorial, we'll focus on AI song generator. So we have to click on its AI song generator. In the feature, you will get 3 options: prompt to song, prompt to instrumental and image to music. First, we'll look at prompt to song section. Here in the prompt box, you have to type your song ideas or lyrics. You can also upload an image or video if you want. After entering the prompt, click on magic brush icon. Singify will generate song lyrics for you. You can see it has created lyrics for us. After this, on the right side, you need to select a music style. Then choose your AI singer. If you want, you can even create your own custom AI singer. You can also provide a reference audio, which is optional. And finally, type the song title and click on generate button. And in just a few seconds, Singify AI will generate your original song. So let's listen the song and let me know how was the song quality and the lyrics.
The clock ticks slow in this empty room. Your perfume lingers like a shattered tune.
Now we'll see to lyrics to song feature. So let's click on it. Once you click, you will see option to paste your lyrics here. If you have already written them, copy them and paste them here. Then you have to select the song structure elements, which is also called song section. After that, if you want to create custom lyrics, you can do that. Here you can see options like theme, language, style and mood. You can select everything as per your need to generate custom lyrics. After that, you can create the next line lyrics. Just enter the next line if you want to continue your lyrics. Then you can also generate random lyrics from here. After that, on the right side, you need to fill in music style, AI singer, reference audio and title as per your choice. Once done, click on generate and within few seconds our song will be generated. And here is the final result.
तेरे ख्यालों में खो गया हूँ, हर एक लम्हा बस सोचता हूँ वो बातें, तेरी मुस्कान दिल में अब भी जीती है जान तू छोड़ू.
Now let's look at the instrumental feature. So click on it. The process is similar to what we did in the prompt to song. Here in the box, you have to tell what kind of instrumental you want. Examples are already given here, so you can use those as well. For example, I want soft lo-fi guitar loops. So I have written that. And now I just paste them here and then click on magic brush icon. Then set your music style, title as per your choice. And after doing all this, finally click on generate button and Singify will generate the instrumental for us.
Run off and go sleep. Songs my devilry.
Did it turn out well?
Yes.
So if you found my video helpful, make sure you hit that like button subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends who are in the music industry. See you in the next one.